Who needs the Giga?
Come back SC, come back SC. Oreo. Oreo.
We can. One of the D-Tank is wanted in my side.
Okay, now turn.
Ingot, be careful.
They have random party. Like not all of them are from same team. Okay, they are.
Who needs the Giga? Who needs the Giga? Come behind, shit me.
We got Giga. I think nobody needs it. Walk up. We're gonna this is the same path we're gonna kite through. Okay. If you same direction, I'll call for it. Okay, look shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, just cancel. It's fine. They're engaging on me.
That's fine.
Okay. I Giga. Walk in. Walk in. Now don't walk. Just stop where you are. Stay back. Everybody look for me. 5. Defend. Wait. Defend now. Engaging. Depth now. Everybody walk southwest. Walk southwest. You can hold them. Look for the crown. Get ready. 5. DPS, are you guys ready? Look for me. 4. Just keep walking. Look on the deep south. 3 on the GA and 2 on the GA now. Good. Now kite north now. Kite north and northeast. They're coming. Careful. Just kite. Didn't bonk them if you can. Careful. I need 1 D10 to sit on this. Okay, good. 5 seconds you're gonna hit again. Clear shallow.
I like.
Walk. Look for me. 5 on the southeast. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the guy inside. Kill him.
I like
It's okay. Kite now. It's fine. Kite now. Clear shallow. Kite now. Keep kiting.
Yeah, man, it's like
Keep kiting. So who careful, they will engage on you. Go north now. Go hard north. They engage on unleash. Heal unleash. Everybody walk in. Nike fake. Shallow. Everybody get ready. Everybody look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. So you kite back. Fine. Kite back. Yeah, it's Can no flances in the front. Backline careful, they have engaged in the backline. They have defend.
Fake. Why are you doing that?
Care, backline care. Everybody kite. Okay, walk front, walk again. Look shallow on this tank, okay? Shallow on the west limb breaker. 5. Walk in. Oh my god, I got wrong. Okay, Giga, everybody come back. Just come back. Come back. Look on Gami. Get ready. 5, 4, 3. Good. Kite now.
Yes, my
Keep going any.
Hold on, at least.
Okay, walk. We kill one guy with 3 men.
I say we fucking go. Look,
I have J.
Here, okay, everybody look for me. 5. Keep walking. 4. Keep walking. 3, 2, 1. Hit the crown. Nice. Now go north. Straight north. Straight north.
1 hero down.
It's okay. Walk. We
How
still
long
have
game? I don't have J.
Engage. Yes.
Yes, maybe.
Okay. Just come back.
I'm looking JD. Don't worry.
No. Come back.
Lina.
They're looking.
go southwest, go southwest.
Press.
Look for me, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit the ground, fucking fast. Okay, now kite,
Press, guys. Ready.
Kite. Kite.
Ready, south.
There's people on the southwest.
Kite back. Keep kiting back. Keep kiting back. Don't stop. Keep kiting back. Ready now. Dengue.
No, it's here, thank you.
Dengue, walk in.
No.
Everybody look for me. On the east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. Fucking back. Hill cook and go north. Go straight north. Straight north and west now. If you die, can you regen quickly? And Lina, can you regen quickly?
Fake.
Go SW. Spread more and SW. Here they're looking. Demon. Walk in.
No GA.
Look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. Nobody's stopping him. Okay, it's fake. This is fake. Keep cutting west.
The Hodge will look.
Keep cutting west.
The Hodge is looking. Enough.
Ready. Walk in. Look east on the GA. Just keep walking. It's okay. I don't have a Hodge yet. Keep walking east. And then this will tell me. Look for me. Shallow inside 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. Okay, now kite.
5 seconds, Demon.
Be ready.
No demon.
Kite. You have time. Just kite.
Demon.
Fallen inside.
Now walk. If you die, please re-get quickly. If you died, no. Look shallow. Just walk. Everybody come southwest. Come back. Don't chill. Come back.
There's a party at the southwest.
There's guys behind. The tank
Don't worry about it.
Dream, clear. Everybody keep going southwest. Deepest healers stay southwest.
Hodge is looking.
Keep going west. It's okay. I know. I'm gonna head back.
Defend now.
Defend now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. Wipe them. Okay, we killed one DPS with the demon.
Oh man, holy shit.
Bro, that shit I knew it is coming for. I knew this shit.
Yo.
I know. Don't kill. If your backliner, stay back. Stay back. Multi-care, they're gonna kidnap you.
The blue playing kidnap, okay? So healers don't get kidnapped.
Care. Come north, listen. Everybody follow the ground. Walk with the ground. Look from the east now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. And fight. No. Straight north.
They're looking up.
Okay, straight north. They cannot do anything. Just keep walking north. Defense ready now. They're shallow. Don't cook here. Didn't bomb them if you can.
Fallen behind.
Walk in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. It's okay. Just kite now. Listen, come southeast. Walk with the crown again. Keep walking with the crown. Demons, be ready. Okay, you have the demon this
4
time.
seconds, demon. Second.
Okay, everybody come back north now. If you're backline, come back north. Now, be ready to demon now. Care, go north more. Defend now. I know, walk with me. Nike, I'm gonna Nike that. Just walk with me. Kill.
I'm looking GA here.
GA. Everybody look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. Again, we can kite north now. We have to kite.
Demon ready 2 seconds.
Kite. They cannot do anything. Just kite. North and east. Care.
kick.
Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking. Kill the guy, kill the guy, kill the guy on the ground.
Almost there.
On the ground. Okay, he got healed. Okay, everybody look for him. Look for him. 5, at least 3 if you can. Oh, look for him. 4.
Heal the back line,
Look
heal
for
the
him.
back line.
3. Look for him. 2. Hit the ground. Hit the Perma. Yuki guy.
Ready.
Yuki guy. Everybody cleanse.
Second demon.
Cleanse. Be ready to Resi now. Ready to Resi now. Okay, be ready to Resi. Okay, now, no, good. Cross me, guys. Okay. Walk with me. Pull down. Everybody look back. Look on this limit for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground. Limit is inside. You can come. Keep going north. You can hold them. Now. Sky, you're gonna die. They're gonna engage in Sky. They're gonna engage. Ingal, careful. Be ready to Raji. Not yet. Everybody come west. Come west.
They go engage.
West. Keep going west. I drop Judy now. Defend now. Everybody look on the east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the ground.
Become.
Go north again. North and go west. And come west. And I fucking this retard.
Yeah, it's fine.
Come
Very damage.
Come SW. Okay, go and north again. Sky careful, they're looking. Sky careful. You're gonna engage. Okay, look on the east in 5, in 4, 3. Hit the ground. 5. It's okay. I will tell you.
Fall on inside.
Everybody keep going. Any. Demon. Okay, walk now. Walk now.
130 AC.
Can you G on me? And this can you G on me?
Stun. I can GA.
Okay, G. Everybody on the G in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the G now. Okay, go north.
Demon.
Holy fucking